Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw a cute puppy in a coffee cup. So grab your drawing tools, find a comfy spot, and let's start drawing. Start with the puppy's head by drawing 4 or 5 diagonal lines. Draw the right ear. Then draw the left ear. Next, draw both sides of the face, making them the same size. Draw small curved lines to make the puppy's fur look soft and fluffy. And draw a short neck. Add some fur around both ears. Now draw the face, starting with a round triangle nose. Draw 2 small eyes. Then draw the mouth. Color the eyes and nose with black. Next, draw both paws resting on the edge of the coffee cup. Now draw the coffee cup, starting with the top rim. Draw the sides of the cup with 2 matching curved lines. Draw the bottom of the cup with a curved line. Finally, draw the cup handle on the side. Yay! Our sketch is done. Let's start coloring. Use brown to color the puppy's body. Be careful around the face. Don't color over it. Use yellow to color the coffee cup. You can start coloring from the inside, the outside, or the handle any way you like. Finally, use brown again to add fur details and make it look extra fluffy. Wow! You are done! Try drawing it again and use different colors for the puppy or the coffee cup. So fun! Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe! See you next time!